Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix the translucent TB not working on Windows 10 or 11. So by downloading the necessary tool, extracting the right files, and using the command prompt with precision, you will have the translucent TB app and running in no time. Now, the first thing that you'll need to do is to download the Vive tool. To get started with fixing the translucent TV issue in Windows 10, you'll need to download a specific tool, namely the Vive tool. So you will have to navigate to the Vive tool GitHub page, download the Vive tool, volume 0.0.03 zip file. Click on the link to start the download, and this is essential file to begin the process. So the next thing is to extract the Vibe tool. So once downloaded, you'll need to extract the contents of the zip file and locate it. So locate the zip file. Most browsers will show downloaded files in a designated folder or provide a direct link to the file. Next is to extract the zip file. Right-click on the file and select Extract All. Within moments, a new folder will be created in the Downloads directory, and then copy to C directory. Move the folder to your C drive and make sure to rename the folder as zvibe. By following these simple steps, you lay the groundwork to resolve the translucent TV problem in Windows 11. It's a clear and systematic approach that sets you up for the next stages of the resolution. Now we'll have to execute the command prompts with administrative privileges. Fixing the translucent TB issue requires executing some commands using the command prompt with administrator rights. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your command prompt as an administrator. Click on the Start menu and search for command prompt. Right-click on the app and select Run as Administrator. Now navigate to the extracted folder in the command prompt window. Enter the file path where the Vibe tool was extracted. For example, the type cd c/zvibe and hit enter. Now disable the specific feature. Type the following command and then you'll see a message confirming that the changes were successfully implemented. Now you'll have to restart your PC. To complete the process, restart your computer. Translucent should be working fine on Windows 11 system. So by carefully following these instructions, you can quickly resolve the translucent TV problem on your Windows 11 or PC, and make sure to input the command precisely as mentioned to ensure a successful resolution. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.